In order to achieve the perfect silk press, you always want to start off with freshly washed hair. You want to use products that help to retain moisture in your client's hair. And when it comes to detangling, you always, of course, want to make sure you use conditioner, and always start at the end of the hair shaft and work your way up. Never comb from the root. Leave-in conditioner and heat protectant are your best friends when it comes to silk presses. You're literally going to see me drench her hair in both. Sectioning your client's hair is also really important. Not only does it make your job a lot easier, but it helps to minimize breakage and shedding when it comes to blow drying your client's hair. With how the camera's set up, you can't really see what I'm doing, but in the back of her head, I'm just continuing to section off her hair, comb it through to make sure there are no tangles or knots or anything, and I'm just going to put a clip on it to keep it out of the way. You can bantu knot it, 2-strand twist it, do a 3-strand braid, whatever works for you, but you just want to make sure you're keeping that out of the way. This is why the detangling process is so important. Do you guys see how easily I'm blow drying through her hair? Make sure no parts of your client's hair or scalp are remaining damp. You need it to be completely dry. This is one of the most important parts of a silk press, a hot comb. you really get to those roots and you get them nice and straight. If a tiny flat iron works for you, that's completely fine, but this is my favorite route to go. My battery ended up dying, but this is how far along that we got. Look at it, nice and silky and smooth and shiny. Yes, thumbs up for this. Now I'm just gonna continue the process so that you guys can see how we got this luxurious, shiny, healthy looking silk press with no heat damage. This is one of the most important steps to avoiding heat damage. When you're going over the hair with a flat iron, you only want to do one pass. That's it. If you can't get the hair straight in one pass, you're not using the right flat iron. Y'all see that? Yes. See, and I did that with one pass. That's it. That's all you need. Can we give my client a thumbs up for not flinching? Sis clearly trusts me with her life right now. She's not flinching with this flat iron, with the hot comb, nothing. Another thing that's super important is that you want to make sure that your hot comb is not too hot. You will literally burn your client's hair off. Does not equal heat damage. Of course, you're going to get some smoke. You have products on your hair and it's heat. With heat comes smoke. But there absolutely is no heat damage being obtained right now. Wanted a side part and she wanted to leave her hair bone straight, so there won't be any kind of curls or anything like that. But if you check out my other video that I uploaded, you can see how I do my curls. able to lay down her flyaways and add just the extra little shine to her silk press. You can see me combing her edges down right here because I never add edge control to a fresh silk press. There's no need. The hair is already super smooth and straight. The only way I'll add it is if a client requests it, but they can do that at a later date when they feel that their silk press is getting old. Yes, baby. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys next time.